Today we will be reacting some hiccup PFP FPS 1K likes for PT2.
What on earth am I wearing?
Why is he wearing paper on his neck?
I'm so handsome.
It's just your regular outfit though.
I know, but you sure loved it, didn't you?
Shut up, let's move to the next one.
Damn, I'm sexy.
Damn right.